Good morning, student. Today we discuss about the some compound of haloalkane and haloarine. First, we teach you a most useful insecticide. This is well known by the all of student. This is DDT. DDT is a insecticide. The full form of DDT is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. The full name of the DDT can be learned by the preparation of DDT. First, we teach you about formation of DDT. When chloral, when formation of DDT. When chloral is the CCl3CHO. This is the chloral. On how the chloral is formed, then we go by to aldehyde. Aldehyde is the CH3CHO. This is the acetaldehyde. CH3CHO is the acetaldehyde. And when acetaldehyde is treated with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or FeCl2, when acetaldehyde is treated with chlorine in the presence of sunlight or FeCl2, 3 molecules of chlorine are added and 3 molecules of HCl is removed and it forms CCl3CHO. It is clear from the reaction that all of three alpha hydrogen are replaced by the chlorine and form Cl3 in place of CH3CHO, and this compound is called as chloral. So this is the chloral. And when chloral is treated with a well-known compound, this is chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene, a well-known compound, chlorobenzene, and chlorobenzene can be represented by understanding the reaction in this way. This is the benzene ring and here the Cl. Chloral and chlorobenzene, and we take two molecule of chlorobenzene. This is chloral and this is two molecule of chlorobenzene, and when both are react in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, chloral and chlorobenzene are react together in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. Removal of H2O molecule takes place. And now it's question, how the H2O form? We know here one carbon and one hydrogen atom. Where I cannot write here. Here one carbon and one hydrogen, and here also one carbon and one hydrogen. And these two hydrogen of chlorobenzene and here one oxygen of CHO group, aldehyde group, remove in the form of H2O, and both half ring are joined with carbon, and this can be written as Cl3C H single bond and benzene ring and Cl, and here also single bond, benzene ring and Cl. Both half means chloral and chlorobenzene are added together and form the CCl3CH and benzene and Cl. This compound is called as DDT. And how the name or full form of this compound can be learn you we read this compound from back side. Here we see the two chlorine means dichloro, and 2 benzene ring. Benzene ring is commonly called as phenyl in the form of prefix. When benzene is used as prefix, it is called as phenyl. It is called as when benzene ring is used as prefix, it is called as phenyl. So Cl and Cl, this is dichloro and 2 benzene diphenyl, and here 3 chlorine trichloro, dichloro, diphenyl, 3 chlorine to then 3 chlorine, then trichloro, and we have 1 and 2 carbon. 2 carbon means ethene. This is dichloro, diphenyl, dichloro, diphenyl, and trichloroethene. This is the DDT, most important point or most important topic of this chapter, DDT. So it is clear the formation of DDT and the full form of the DDT. And in first line, some special properties of DDT is written as here. First is the DDT is a insecticide, कीटनाशक. This used for killing the mosquito and so many insects in common use. And if we discuss about the physical property of DDT, then DDT is a white, tasteless, odorless, and crystalline solid. Means it had no taste, no odor, and crystalline solid. DDT, because DDT is a organic compound, so it is less soluble or insoluble in water, but good soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ether, kerosene, etc. DDT is not soluble and insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ether, and so many. The DDT is used as insecticide, but it caused harmful effect. DDT caused harmful effect on environment. DDT cause harmful effect on environment because when DDT is used, this affect the central nervous system of insect, means it's totally damaged. So central nervous system means brain of the insect can be damaged or can be dead by the effect of DDT. And when these insects are fed by the several birds, eagles, or so many biomes, then it also caused a effect on the nervous system of other species or other members of environment who feed the insect. So DDT cause a long time effect. The effect of DDT is work nearly 21 days. So when DDT is used, it also kills the insects and eagles and birds. So most of the developed country like USA, China, so are banned for use of DDT. Means here DDT is not used for the insecticide, but in India it is commonly used in cities and so many places for killing the mosquito in the form of solution. This cause this the student of bio or geology known as we have a sodium potassium pump in our nervous system. In our nervous system we have a sodium potassium pump, and DDT damage these pumps. So central nervous system and eyes are not properly work, and it cause a very harmful effect. So as soon as possible the use of DDT can be banned in India also for save to save our environment. So this is a very important point. And next we discuss another compound which is also well known by all of students, This is chloroform. 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 Now you can hear about chloroform before it. क्लोरोफार्म हम जैसे जानते हैं कि ये जो है क्लोरोफार्म क्या करता है, कहते हैं कि क्लोरोफार्म सुंघा दिए, बेहोशी। तो ऐसे यहाँ पे ये भी कॉमन होगा, तो ये भी हम प्रिपरेशन केवल देखते हैं इसका, क्लोरोफार्म का प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफार्म इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जामिनेशन। बी टुडे वी टीच यू लैब मेथड ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफार्म. Chloroform, the formula of chloroform is CHCl3 and the IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Trichloromethane is commonly called as chloroform, and the lab method of chloroform can be explained on the basis of following two steps. We know a powder, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is CaCO2 and also known as the phenol. We know the ethanol and bleaching powder. Ethanol and bleaching powder. Ethanol and bleaching powder. Ethanol is CH3CH2OH and bleaching powder is CaOCl2. When a mixture of ethanol and bleaching powder are react together, it converted into chloroform. The reaction of formation of chloroform can be explained in more than 3 steps. First, the bleaching powder. The first step of the reaction for formation of chloroform. The first step is when bleaching powder CaOCl2 is react with CaOCl2 is react with H2O, it gives the CaOH whole twice and HCl. CaOL whole twice and Cl2. When bleaching powder is react with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and removal of chlorine takes place. When bleaching powder is react with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and removal of chlorine takes place. And the second step of reaction is ethanol CH3CH2OH is oxidized in the presence of chlorine and it converted into CH3CH2 and H2O. This is ethanol. Ethanol is oxidized, and we know that when any alcohol is oxidized, it converted into aldehyde. Alcohol oxidized and converted into aldehyde, and aldehyde after oxidation converted into carboxylic acid. But here we oxidize the ethanol in the presence of chlorine. It converted into CH3CH2 acetaldehyde. And the third step of reaction is CH3CH2 plus 3Cl2. This reaction I explained you just before this formation of chlorine. Then acetaldehyde is react with chlorine and removal of 3 molecule of HCl takes place and it gives the CH3 CHO, this is chloral. CH3 CHO, this is chloral. Means acetaldehyde react with chlorine and form chloral, and the last step of the reaction is reaction of chloral, CCl3, reaction of chloral with calcium hydroxide, reaction of chloral with calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide CaOH and OH. This is calcium hydroxide, and two molecule of chloral CCl3 CHO, CCl3 CHO chloral are react together, and here Cl3 and here the H, Cl3 and H, and here Cl3 and H, means two molecule of CHCl3 is formed, and removal of this can be written as HCOO whole twice and Ca. This is calcium formate. HCO whole twice, HCOO whole twice into Ca, calcium formate, and this is the chloroform CHCl3. So this is the long reaction for formation of chloroform in lab method with the help of ethanol and bleaching powder. Thank you.